Jasper Mirable's here with a twist on an old cookie recipe using local ingredients such as Kansas flour and Missouri butter, pecans, and even chocolate.
How about it?
Good to see you.
Gustav King. You ever heard of that?
Gustav King. No, I haven't. I can't say that.
Stafford County, Kansas.
Okay.
And the name of the flour, can you believe this? Come on, Hudson cream flour. Why wouldn't we have flour in Kansas?
Why not? Yeah, we got wheat, right?
Yeah, exactly. So why don't people know about these things? We have to educate them, and that's what I want to do because our friends over at Hen House Market carry this. Okay. How about this? Chateau cream.
Right. Great dairy.
The milk, okay, they have butter.
Yeah, okay.
And I love the ingredients in here. You ready for this? What's it say? Okay. Cow cream and salt.
That's it.
Nothing else is added. Now, do you know we have a bean producer? Now I'm talking about a chocolate bean producer in Missouri, one of only 5 in the United States. He's an artisan chocolatier, and it's Askinosie. So we get all these ingredients, local eggs. All right?
Yeah.
Well, we're going to make chocolate chip cookies. Just a basic recipe for chocolate chip cookies.
All right.
Nothing special. I have it pre-measured. Here we already have the butter.
Right.
So go ahead and give me some of that flour.
All of it?
All the flour.
Okay.
And I've creamed the butter a little bit, add all that sugar.
I like how you make it easy.
You know what, I mixed the brown sugar and the granulated sugar together, the chocolate and the nuts together. Those are local Missouri pecans. How about that?
All right.
Just a pinch of salts. Now, that's sea salt. That's not local salt, okay?
I thought it came from the great ocean of Lake of the Ozarks.
Exactly. A little bit of vanilla, and then, if you will, some eggs, a couple of local eggs. I love these eggs because the farmer always puts a little story in these eggs. How about that? And this is it. Okay, come on. I mean, how simple is this? We mix this up. You got an eggshell in there.
Oh, I did?
I do it every day. Don't worry about it. My mom was going to write a cookbook one time, and my brother Sam was going to write a book. He was going to call it Eggshells for Breakfast.
Oh, nice.
Because every morning my mom always put the eggshells in the... And look, you mix this up. You come out with a great little batter. This is basic. Let's add something else. You want to add some local oats. You know, so people don't realize the local things that we have in Missouri. Maybe you don't want the chocolate. Maybe you want to take out some of the sugar.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Okay.
But it's all about local and supporting the local farmers. We're coming in the spring. You have your CSAs available where they deliver the local products to you.
Sure.
That's what it's all about. But more than anything else, I have the batter already made up. We'll just put little spoonfuls onto a baking dish, and I have the cookies. They're coming out of the oven right now.
You're baking them as we speak.
Oh, yeah, they are fantastic. Just put them on a baking sheet. But I really want to emphasize to people that you can buy and support your local farmers. Everything that's coming up, you have the lettuces coming up, your vegetables, you know, asparagus from Pendleton's is coming up. Chocolate chip cookies is just something I'm kind of obsessed with. So I decided to make a local dish with it. And that's what it's all about. It's simple. Now, people ask me about local milk. I don't put milk in the cookies, but Chateau milk and cookies, maybe after you produce the cookies, then you got to drink a little local milk with it.
Of course.
And they got that yummy chocolate milk. They have eggnog-flavored milk, orange-flavored milk. Come on,
root beer-flavored milk.
Exactly. So there's so much you could do with local ingredients. I love going to the farm. Chateau Milk has the local day at the farm come up this Easter, and you get to go visit with the farmers. You get to meet them all. It's something else.
I know this isn't local, but what are you doing with Nutella?
You got it. That's right. I made a little chocolate bar. So let's say you want to have some fun with the kids.
Yeah.
Set up a little chocolate bar, a little marshmallow fluff.
Oh, yeah.
A little chocolate Nutella.
Okay.
And then make a sandwich out of them. So all you have to do, and this will just take a second to do. How about this? Put a little bit of this right in the middle there. How about that? A little bit of chocolate. Now, this is not local, but come on. I mean, there's nothing better.
Everything else is in it.
Exactly. And I have some for our friends in the studio here today. It's all local. It's all about fresh. Buy fresh, buy local. You have it all here. Flour. Come on, we have to.
We'll bring it over. Jasper Mirable, thanks for coming in today.
Enjoy.
This recipe posted on our website. Just go to NBCActionNews.com. Click on Morning News.
And how many